5 Best Vacuum Cleaners. Here is the product number 5. Canister Vacuums for Europa House Energy Efficiency. Brand, PUPPYOO. Functionality, dry. Power, W, 500 999 voltage, V, 220 to 240 volts. Type, Cyclone Certification, GS. Setting, Canister type dust collector, cyclone dust collector, dust chamber. Special suction nozzle, flat suction nozzle. Remote control, no. Saving time, no. Wire length, M, about 5 meters. Virtual wall, no bag or bagless, without bag. Here is the product number 4. Lot Cleaner G Fabric Type Dust Collectors. Brand, EGF for Bosch Type G. Type, vacuum parts, bags. Type, the vacuum cleaner. Name, vacuum cleaner type G type. Also Gurmi Rotocraft, Hoppen 3370, Krups 915 935, Privileg, Profilo, Protos, Severin, Ufisa, Wilf, Optima, PowerMax, Comma Perfecta, Speedy, Solitaire, Casa, Ultra, Natura, Pro, Siemens vs 32A00. Here is the product number 3. Lotfilter HEPA Filter Mesh Buffalo-Mistral. Brand, Bosch. Type, the vacuum cleaner. FC8470, FC8471, FC8472, FC8473, FC8474, FC8475, FC8476, FC8477. Model 1:FC8630, FC8631, FC8632, FC8633, FC8634, FC8635, FC8645. Here is the product number 2. 1 set. Robot Vacuum Cleaner Accessories. Type, the vacuum cleaner. Type, vacuum parts, filters. DJ970104C, SC43, SC44, SC45 series and so on. Product description. Package includes 1 PC. Filter plus 1 PC. Cotton filter for Samsung vacuum cleaner filter. DJ970104C yellow foam rubber grip ring. DJ970104C attention, suits only to vacuum cleaners in which there is a box for such a filter with a gray handle. Here is the product number 1. Tinton Life Ultra Quiet Mini Portable Home Vacuum Cleaner. Tinton Life Remote Control, no. Certification, CE voltage, V, 220. Bag or bagless, without bag. Wire length, M, about 4 meters. Functionality, dry cleaning route, casual style. Type, cyclone. Product type, upright vacuum cleaner. Part number, S1007, saving time, no. Special suction nozzle, flat suction, no. Select display, no. Setting, manual type dust collector, box, bucket. Battery life. Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.